Hi, I'm Matt from the Intergalactic Herald. This is our first week in review of Star Atlas, so I want to go through some content that's found and let you know all the information that was happened in Star Atlas this past week. If you want all the links to this, please go to intergalacticherald.com, and this is our recap number 50. So first we start with an article from Kriggs at the Hologram related to Star Atlas freezing the assets of two scammers. So this is an issue related to that Star Atlas has access through the minting process to actually freeze NFTs. So very good article if you want to learn more about this and some of the issues related to whether or not this is a good thing, how it relates to Web3, and if there should be some parts of the Star Atlas Constitution that actually talk about this. Next thing is a video that was posted by Metaverse Explorer. He goes through a number of different things that were updated this week in Star Atlas. In particular, some of the topics he goes over are, get down to his things. So he goes through again about the frozen NFTs, that Solana was down, shows some things about some guns that were graphics that were displayed and talked about. Additionally, he went over some things related to a service that allows you to basically buy some shares in a set of Star Atlas ships that are out there, and also talks a little bit about how the different factions, actually logos related to the central space stations. Metaverse Nomads did their weekly live stream that they put on YouTube. So great content about different things related that's going on in the metaverse. Also additional things that were happened in the Star Atlas environment. Aphia published their weekly newsletter. Again, like they noted, it was a quiet week, but they went through some of the different things that were published. Again, the Central Space Station icons, some things about the handheld weapons that may be coming, and some additional information on Sage. Next, we have the Hologram News Network basically putting out a video presentation, audio, of their issues with, or that was determined about the Star Atlas scammers and the Solana outage. Gladiator posted a great review of the Fimbo Lobi, showing it in his showroom there, and went around and took a look at it. Metaverse Explorer posted another video, this time kind of going over some more details that came out, in particular some of the space station images, some of the racing images, and then talked about the fact that someone gave him a ARK to go to his ARK fund. And then the final video, this last week, was Atlas Theory, who went through and showed some of a leaked video, or should say alpha video, of kind of gunplay that might be occurring in future showroom, plus went around some of the scale and things like that. So again, if you'd like to get links to all of these articles, you're welcome to go to intergalacticherald.com. And if you want to, please sign up for our newsletter, and these links will come to your mailbox once a week. Thank you.